Hello everyone, this is The Unspeakable at Innerscapes Art Studios. These are the golden heavy body acrylics. One half of them have Vallejo Pouring Medium mixed in with them. The others just have floetrol, little gloss medium, and water. I would like to do a swipe today. Well, that's kind of pretty just by itself. I have some gold here. I don't know. I honestly don't know how I'm going to swipe this. I like the black and white, but the white has set up and done something very thick and interesting. I really like what the red is doing. Don't like what the white is doing quite so much. Well, I had everything all set up, and I don't like what this white is doing, so I'm going to swipe with some violet on the paper towel. Okay, this is very unusual. I think I'll leave it right here, and we'll see how it dries. Wow, this definitely is a Rorschach's dream. You could see any number of things in this painting. I like it in this direction, and I do have a particular vision, but I won't say what it is. I'll let you see what you see, and you can leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I hope to see you soon.